Okay. Nimbula, nimbula. Pula binaka. Aulitaka ndio nimbula binaka tiko. Nivambula chika ni bikimni na yakabini singa lotulevu. Meviti ngose singa bukelulu chungo ya Amerika. Aulitaka ndio ni mbula binaka tiko. Mula ngau ni sema tiko mikina na yakabini ni kuwa. Obe bambul chungayani en nunggu na may wase chukayani na bituk tukasomba letter na Sai Medicare Camp. So I will switch into the English language so that I can also incorporate our diverse audience, um, those who are non-Itoke language speakers. Mula mula binaka, wishing you all a wonderful day wherever you are logging in from. It's Wednesday today, the 26th of August, 2026, here in the United States of America. In California, it's 10 minutes past 5 on Wednesday afternoon. And I know it's 12 o'clock on Thursday in Fiji. So the reason why I want to do this live is to highlight the Medicare camp that is currently taking place in Cuvu College in Nadroga. So for our brothers and sisters, our families in Nadroga, Nabosa, the wonderful province of Nadroga, please go to Cuvu College today. Our medical team from Australia and New Zealand, they will be in Cuvu College from 8 o'clock this morning until 4 p.m. this afternoon. So if you are hearing this live, please share this live to our families from Nadroga or anyone listening in from overseas who have families that live in Nadroga or Nandi or anywhere close by. They can go to Cuvu College today, right now as we speak. So they have one last day tomorrow in Lautoka. So I just wanted to address, because my inbox is full of questions and lots of inquiries. And our brothers and sisters from Ba, I don't know where you were. You forgot about it. They were in Ba on Sunday. Okay, they were in Ba on Sunday. So they will have to come back again next year. So it takes them one whole year to do this free medical camp. So if you missed out the visit in Ba, please go to Lautoka tomorrow. Okay, Lautoka, they will be at the Gurukul school in Saweni. Okay, they will be there. So all the information, all the posters for the remaining workshops, remaining medical camps are all on my Dr. T page. So please go to my page and see that today is in Cuvu, Nadroga, Cuvu College. They will be there till 4 this afternoon, and then tomorrow they will be in Lautoka. So if you live in Nandi, you missed out yesterday. They were in Nawaidhomba Public School. So if you missed out the days that they were in Ba, they were in Rakiraki, they were in Vatukola, Nandi. If you missed any of those days, come tomorrow. Tomorrow is their last day. They will be in Lautoka. Okay, they will be at the Gurukul school in Lautoka. So really want to encourage everyone. So that's why I'm doing this live, so that you won't be asking me tomorrow for where they are when they're already about to fly back to Australia. Okay? So share this live. Okay, share this live, ladies and gentlemen. I will stay on for a little while. Let's listen to some music, and hopefully people will join in. And I'm also asking for our Itoke families. No, many of you are kind of shy, if I can use that word. You're very shy to go and have your medical check done. Okay, kaya ka na nito kay sa ruta naman tuwa, dala ko yan, dalilo rival ni Bula. Eh? There's nothing to be shy about. Dala ko dalilo rai. Iyo. Thank you, Rupa. Thank you. Pinaka to the gardening your family. NG Tamboruan Bula Binaka. Bula Maria Wetlock. So let's listen to this song and then we'll wait for the others to pop in.
Nangone mainan rona Aurelie naya saya sabakara Nikobono sita umbale seoho Lomotoka Onayado ngainan rongana bosa So erakaya meida vai Ewana maile maina inga toka chumbani vai Nakenra uvei mama na unisala mata sawa Chiko kina nongu koroa una ulimbitaka Toso manda mali Kamu maisaraba Kona senga ni wakachiti ngataka Ni wanua ni marau Watake inalasa inawekangu tosomai Kamoni maisarawa Nangone mainan roga Aurelie naya saya sabakara Ekomondo sita umbale seomo Lomotoka Onayado mainan rongana bosa Nikobono semili nuru seomo Lomotoka Onayado mainan rongana bosa
Yes, rong-rong binakantina na sere ko yao nangone mai Nadroga. Ni mucho dolo na nunggu weka na sala bakaturango Nadroga ke nabosa. Waktu lusa kayani na bendel ni abu tambu na bonua na kuru bakarua. Au betor nangonongo meu bakambulu binaka bikim ni kede na be kanu ni sama tikumai na kabinang ni ko. Betor chuka nangonongo meu wasia ngaya di na itutuku ni lore baka bunuai siang ni sawi. Baka dur sar chuka nangonongo na kornibuli na Cuvu College. Kaya baka ni ngalala na singa ni kuwa na songo chuka na bana kaloko na kabi. Ukla ni sige chuka na tinkarua na singa levu. Kaya baka ni rongotan ni tukutuku ngo ni ngoleani na Cuvu College. Lore kina na mata, dalinga, tumunindra matini suka matini uto kento era mustico na vana se bude mate bude er toda kapatalanga na visel na mata er to sole na mate luilo segani somi mate luilo wili bola er to sole talanga na mate luilo ni singa sunglasses belate dona ka dolo rivali bikeda na bio kani mai biti wasibi na ngona ni ndai kata-kata do sega ni ndo tangu maka na matata ni ndo kata-kata na singa dona ka bimbia me ada mbara ken kutukun me ndo baka matililo baka matililo mati metangu maka na matata bata na mata dona ka malmalum ngone duruma kinan dona kana duruma na wai se tona ko dona kau se duru kinan nuku se da bunga mosi karoni baka tatal saraka na darai ya ke baka oni bina kata na ni matililo ni wili bola ni ngole se ni som ni matililo se tala ni som ni matililo ni sin ke baka lilo re namba timuni se ni som siang sarangani dola kai som na beka edaka ya ndona kau bia pa matal taka bika na ito okay no pas tuma tanga baka biti o te ngai lanti talia na pas baka babalangi na pas ba na datang na kartu tukun cuk mena nasi bika na ito okay siang sarikin balambal mo satu mati mo lakan ni kuwa sini mataka ni kuwa idubu mataka isawe ni melotoka walo kalau mataka lilai eta mana bana kami siang ni so mi dona ka ertot katal cuk mena nasi rata lang ni ngole manangaya ni lelure mananga nom nindra turno ni tumbu nindra nom ni pressure cek takin mata muni cek takin beti muni cek na dalinga cek na kete cek na muto kakir kete bina kate melure ngomu or torinda kap na sai medikeke sega ni somi donaka wirna lube andalalai tem kartu mat chukuna ngonongo rakoyani berlelurai bika na maramatina ke ndora kai budi chuba kana sudumu se ndo musi chuka ketemu se sindola chuka bina kana no munito mate chuka talanga orto na buni wai ni marama ya don takalunga na wekata may biti ni orto lak me kora buni wai may Australia bat ke New Zealand era so mga meno no bondo ra so mga meno no rotela no no may tiko era suletu ndola mara to do ko mer may bingarabi o tia barroingo sartu bukalistani kaya ko viva kong gitskin weekend na wekanda na sana baktura ko nanronga na bosa ningwala ni kwa Cuvu College erto bingarab chicken na bunuai ni mataka oto tinisinga erto na bingarab chicken na Lautoka na Gurukul School mesawen onita kanyo na baka jataka ni na video ngo where keda na biwakan na barong tikmay ni kwa yeah. To everyone listening in today, I'm switching back to the English language to our brothers and sisters from Fiji who are listening to this live. I'm just encouraging families who are in the province of Nadroga Nabosa and the neighboring areas, the nurses and the doctors of the Sai Medicare camp from Australia, New Zealand. They're currently at the Cuvu College. They're using the school because of the school holidays. They've been using all the schools. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the trustees of all the schools that they've been using, like Nielsen College, Nawaidomba in Nandi, and today at Cuvu College, and tomorrow at the Gurukul School in Sawen. It's wonderful that they can be able to use the school during the school holidays to be able to offer their medical services. Okay, so any questions? Donataro, feel free to ask me any questions you may have. Let me just pull up my phone and I can answer your question. So don't be shy. I'm looking at if there are any questions that'll come through on the line. I'm just looking through here. As I was saying, oops. Okay. I can't see any of the questions. But let me pick up my phone. Okay. All right. So let me see. Okay. I've been getting I don't know whether people have been reading my post or not. Obviously not, because there's so many late inquiries, especially from Ba. I don't know why you guys not reading all the messages I've been putting up, and we've been sharing the posters. They were in Ba on Sunday. They were in Ba on Sunday, and they were in Rakiraki on Monday. On Tuesday, they were in Vatukola. On Wednesday, yesterday, they were in Nawaidombe Nandi. Today, they're in Singatoka, Nadroga, at Cuvu College. And tomorrow, they will be in Saweni, Gurukul School, Saweni in Lautoka. So I've been getting so many messages. That's why I wanted to do this live, because so many people are just too late. Yeah, they were in Nandi yesterday, and then people from Nandi asking. They were in Ba on Sunday, and people of Ba are still asking. So you need to be checking things online, when you wanting to know, information and things like that. You have to be proactive, because we cannot be spoon feeding you information. And the doctors, they can come to your house. Okay, they've been requests if they can come to your community. It's very difficult, yeah, because many of them, they work in big hospitals in Australia, New Zealand. They have to fly back this weekend. They can only spare this week to be here. Um, so I hope that you will understand. Yeah, they've been sharing the videos, and I've been trying to help the team to share the information. So let me go back on my page. Yeah, thank you, Rupa. Yeah. So, we have only one life, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? I notice a lot of our people, we can buy jerseys and tickets to go and watch rugby, but you can pay your fare to go to the medical camp to check your heart and your body. Yeah? So can we just get our priorities right, ladies and gentlemen? Our life, there's only one life we have. Okay? Stop procrastinating and just stand up and go. I don't know what else to say. Klar? Even if we say it nicely, people just don't care. Yeah? They just sit there and not do anything. Many of these doctors are very highly regarded in their field of work. We have optometrists, we have gynecologists, you know. No, honestly, but no, they don't take numbers. You just turn up. You just turn up. It's first come, first serve. Okay? Tomorrow is your last day in Lautoka. And, you know, I just want people to take their life seriously. Okay? And it's all free. You're not paying any single thing. You know? Thank you, Rupa. So Ruparan is supporting me right now. Kela? Because na it's okay, alasibo, and there's a few it's okay people watching, eh? Lebu sar nga bikeda na bawelwel. Already chuk matangango na lebu ni tamat tam sakani, era lako chuk lilo rival ni bula. We take mo may ba, may ado may nandina no, lebu nga na basura chukin. Lebu nga na wakanda na India. Eh? Era lako tumengo na buni way lebu, may nabese burubura, may balangi, era so mga may nonra ponto na nonra may tu, na nonra expenses kit, sing dora kao soma. And they say, baka wele. Sa sing talit klan, nataptal mera, kiba ka manangay so minambas. E nalikelo to ng bus, and siya ka manangay nito, ala ko limon to minambas. Kila? So, ndora ka bibibi ka na ito kimi sa viso no nataray. Eh? Ini tak na songo, dabi tuitui, dala ko na songo. Di tak na ang gito rakabi, dabi tuitui, medala ko dali sa rakabi. O china rakabi, doa nga yang gangga, doa ruka, dali sa talibal. Ngo, nanondang bula. Eh? Lorena na nakapokopok, Lorena utonda. Ni sasang nga niyabala na namuto sa natang kita na bokit. Sa kwa sar nga ya. Sa hanggang mita ba to? Eh? Kau kira-kira sar nga kin. Bikim ni nataro chung minggo. Sa harot mo na nataro. Just stand up and go. Kala? Lubu College today. At nanro nga na bosa. Tomorrow at Gurukul School in Saweni. End of story. Kala? O sambit chuka na live. Sambit chuka na tukutuku. Eh? E siya nga. Sa wala kang malit tumber talambekan doon na kanatambua. Sarto bibitar tarchimo ko na nasi na bunuay. Be wasi bikeda to nituki. O sana bosa mata nga babit. Si besar nga bikeda na bakwelwel. Kila? Saat mi bangko na bi basta kami baleto ng bula. Anda tun anong gelak nga na mata minggo. Anong gelak nga na mata minggo. Anong gelak na bula minggo. Eh? Ngko rasulit to na nonrong na bunuay. Bunuay na nasi. Orto na physiotherapist. Orto na optometrist. O ira na gynecologist. O ira sarang na kenan daw. Ni tambalan ng bula. Wikenda na turanga, wikenda na marama. Rurua. Sangay chuko na nanggarabi ng ngoni. O sa tabi chuko nyingo, o nguswira chuko na bunuay bat kinanasi. Mo ker sarang bikam ni. Napakarongo chuko mingo. Da biung geti, biba kong geti mendan lako. Dali luray baka bunuay. So nangona chuko wikenda na el ni rere. Kala? El ni rere, vida na tukangor to witartar menano. Ndo berto ndo rere chuko. Ngorto sa binaki, merto salak batket. Ida, e adona e alo ni belomania. Ni santo erertiko, orto sa ngole menaken bo merto sa may irto taka kevi, orto sa torno orto libina no. Orto lako na way tamba. Kaya ubia biba kong gitski di weekend na biwa kan. Menda bit sarang ilo na nanda bula man nga baka tiket. Bata keda do libo na ito okay. Libo na ngon nenda do ngaraban na bula baka libo. Bula ni Bupale, ng bula ni Toka-Toka, ng bula ni Matanggali, ng bula ni Abusa, ng bula ni Banua. Mereri libo tu. Yan ang bula baka tiket. Yan doon doon. Yan siya nga nenda do ko itakato. Kaya na nunggu kira-kira sarang nga ni Bikam ni. Ibita na video si Chungo mo nakaimbitin na video na rapa sa babit. Ito nang wala ni nano. Nakangar to tungkol kumena na sin. Siyang sarangan nilo weekend na ito kay yung dala ko yan. Kaya ito nakay mo sitiw sarang nga baliw. Nidakila nilo weekend na rato mati tu. Gaso levo na so niluray. Ko ito na bunyo ko sar tulak sarangan na nayasin nom ni Kor. Ni Kor to chuk sarangan ko Cuvu College. Cuvu College. Matakar to sa auto tinor to siga ni mataka Gurukul School. Kau sa ker sarang nga bikim ni tarcho mingo ana sibe tor na namba sang tor na namba. Ko sarang nga matagal tarwang ko re ana. Eda baka muna na lomo ruwa mo kakuni lako ni mataka. Kaya kay ko kawita kan tino na mumula ana. O na lako. So mo na bondo lako liluray. Na nonton bula duanga. Yun. So, nung matagal bibisag ibang ko, masang bibisag sa nga ba doon, we? Iyo. Sa siyagtan na meron bumbi. Libertar cuma na matatabi luray, na matatabi nga chukumiko. Turnom bilkani, lako. Luray. Matay sar nga goro, dubu college, sar tundolo tunggo. Dubu college. If you are in Sinatoka, Nandranga area, around that area, go today. Dubu college is open now until 4 p.m. And tomorrow, from 8 o'clock in the morning, they will be at the Gurukul school in Saweni. So that's just something I would like to alive that you guys didn't ask for, but my inbox have been so full of people asking. And if I can just ask you one thing, I always post the posters on my page. So please scroll on my page and find the poster that is the right one for you. Secondly, when you are reading my poster, make sure you read. Okay? Because some people, they see the word free and then they inbox me again and they ask me, is it free? When it says free, it's free. You're not paying anything. Okay? You are just taking the bus or you're catching the van or you're driving there, and all the services that they are giving is free. They have dental, they check the heart. For the women, they do gynecological tests. And if you have anything that is swelling or swollen, go. They check your eyes, they check your teeth. And there's also another thing the doctors and nurses were telling me yesterday. Another point that I wanted to share is that you don't have to be sick to go. You can just go for general checkup. Okay, so if you're wanting to do any medical checks for you, you can go. They can check everything that you want to be checked. So that's something I would like to encourage you to do. Okay? I hope that's clear. And I do apologize for my tone earlier. I just wanted to, to emphasize the importance of having your medical check. And especially that the medical checks are free. Exactly. Thank you, Rupa. It's all free. And this is something else I want to share. Again, some of the information that the nurses are sharing with me. The medicine. So if you get checked with the doctors and then they notice that there are some illnesses that you have and they have to give you your medicine, they'll give you 3 months worth of medicine. 3 months. Can you imagine that? Tolo na bulan. Na weni mate na soli wiko. So it'll be for the month of September, October, and November. That's your medication for free. Okay, so my sharing with us today is just to encourage everyone who are living in the Singotoka area. They're currently at Cuvu College. And last day is tomorrow, because I've been checking my inbox, excuse me, from people. The highest number of inquiries coming through is from Ba. And the Sai Medicare team, they were in Ba on Sunday. So I don't know how come they didn't know. And then the next group in Rakiraki on Monday. So I've been getting messages as well. What about Rakiraki? They were in Rakiraki on Monday. And then someone else asked me, oh, what about Vatukola or Tavua? They were there on Wednesday. Also on Tuesday. And then I scroll my inbox again. Oh, what about Nandi? They were in Nandi yesterday, no Thomba. I'm sure later tonight, I'll be getting messages from those who are living in Nadroga. What about Nadroga and Singatok? Hello? They were in Cuvu today. And that is why I decided to do the live now, because it's 12:30 in Fiji. Encourage your friends who are in Nadroga to please go to see them. Don't be shy. Our last day is tomorrow, Friday, in Lautoka. Okay? So there's a few of my friends in Suba. They were thinking that they will come to Suba. Suba was last week. That was organized by the Dr. Taui from CWM. So Suba was already last week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 4 full days in Suba. Okay, so we were promoting it. There was a big number of people at the Suba Civic Center. Okay, and then on Sunday, then they went to Mba to cover the whole of the western side of Fiji. So at this point, I would like to take this time to thank the Sai Medicare team for their huge sacrifice for them to be in Fiji at this time, offering free medical service, something that is very rare to see these days. And everyone in Fiji should be blessed and continue to be blessed that we have our medical team, many of them originally from Fiji. That is a beautiful thing about it. Many of the doctors and nurses, I've already posted up their videos on my page, some physiotherapists. They're originally from Fiji. Yeah, they went to Natambua. Some of them went to Lambasa College. Yeah, some of them went to Rishikul. Some of them went to St. John the Wadi. You know, it's really encouraging that many of our medical team who are part of the Sai Medicare group are there in Fiji. They're offering free services, but they paid for their own way. Many of them living in Australia and New Zealand. And they flew in just to do these services for everyone, and then they fly back over the weekend. And then I've been getting lots of inquiries as to when they will be back. They will be back after 1 year. So it looks like it'll be August again of 2027. Okay, so that's my very short live. I'm sorry that it's going to be just short and sweet. I just thought I wanted to come on board and share the information about the free medical camp that is happening right now. And it's free. And that's what I just wanted to encourage people, and especially our Itoke families. I know many of us, so if you have any relative that you know and feel that they need medical help, can you offer some assistance to them? Yeah, offer some assistance, whether it's by transport or whether you want to give them some money to help them to go by a van or to catch the bus to Saweni tomorrow. Whatever help that we can give, remember, God is watching. Yeah, God will bless you for the wonderful support and help that you've given to anyone. It can be your relative, or it may be a friend or a neighbor that needs some help. I would like to encourage each and every one to look around. Let's look around. Let's look around our neighborhood. Let's find out, do we have a widow? Do we have a widower? Is there a house in our community that have a number of children that are orphans? Yeah, maybe their parents have passed away and no one is looking out for them. So any kind of assistance that we can give and offer, remember, God will bless you. We don't have to go to the same church. We don't have to come from the same choral. We don't have to be of the same ethnicity. At the end of the day, we're all humans. At the end of the day, if you can help someone, remember, he or she is a child of God, just like you. So for me, for my Itoke families that are watching, I really want to encourage you all to go to get your medical check. The last day is tomorrow in Saweni, the Gurukul school in Saweni, from 8 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I will find some time to have a chance to talk to the senior staff nurse, Jeanette Hennings. She's originally from Lebuka, Palau, the old capital. So she's currently in Cuvu College right now. I'll see if I can do a live with her so she can be able to give us an update from Zoom. Okay? So, Vinakavalev, everybody, thank you for taking your time to listen to me. Sorry, I was a bit aggressive earlier. I just want to kind of, encourage people, just get up and go, get up and go. Yeah. Because sometimes when you're asking lots of questions like, oh, do we have to take the numbers? Or is it free? Yeah. That means you're starting to doubt yourself. Yeah. So if I were you, don't doubt it. Stand up, go, and do it for yourself. Yeah. Remember our lives, we only have one. And dua nga ng bula. Eh? Kaya ubibi, bakong git kinibikan ni kuwa. Dalakan dali luray. Luray ng mata, luray ng bati, luray na kete, luray na yaba. Nadam sa tsingaw binakat me luray, erto na rede ni kuwa. Eh? Nanuma. Siya nga ni so. It's all free. Kodo na tamani kalunga to. What a blessing for Fiji that we have this amazing team that are there for all of us. Love you, everybody. Take care. If you're still listening, you still have time to go to Cuvu, Nadroga, Cuvu College today, tomorrow in Saweni in Lautoka. Okay, Vinaka, I'm saying goodbye now. And if you have any other questions, just ask. Send me a message on Messenger. And please encourage your friends to go on my page. I have all the posts there. Now we only have 2 left for Nadroga and Lautoka. Vinaka, lolomen vikem nikede, limode. Bye. Nakakata, Maraya, Salote, Kelera, Lo, nakawalib na siya mamay. Encourage your families living in Singatoka, Nadroga to go to Cuvu College like today, right now. It closes at 4. And then if you have families in Lautoka, encourage them to go there tomorrow from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Remember, everything is free. Even if you're still fit and strong, if you just want to go and have a general checkup, checking your heart, checking your blood pressure, yeah, checking anything to do with your body, they'll do it for you. And it's free. Vinaka, bye.